Hi, my name is Ja and welcome to zipBoard. In this video, I am going to teach you on what are the different logins that you can take here in zipBoard and how to create your very first project. So if you do have an existing account, you can just log in here immediately, but if this is your first time utilizing zipBoard, so you can definitely create your account by clicking this create an account button, and creating your own account is super simple. You just have to follow all the prompts that's in there. But for this video, since I do have my existing account, I just have to log in using my credentials. So we can start with this one. Once you have your account created, you will not see anything in here. But since this is my account, you are seeing these sample projects that we have in my dashboard. But if this is your first time, all you have to do is click on the create project so you can create your very first project. That's the project ID. You can name this whatever you want and whatever that project is all about. This is the description, which is optional. And then once you're done, you can click on save. There you go. And this is what's inside of your specific project. I am going to create another video to talk about what are these in here and how to add contents. But going back to your project, there are multiple buttons right here that you could utilize. You can definitely export your projects. You have filters right here if in any case you have a lot of projects in your organization. You can sort that depending on your preferences, and you can see all of the projects that you've created, be it if you archived them, on hold, completed, or still in progress. On the other hand, if you wish to archive your project, it means that you still want to access it, but you're done with everything in that specific project. All you have to do is click this three-dot menu, hover your mouse in the status, and click this archive button. There you go.